How to see who liked your post on Threads. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can see who liked our post on Threads. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to see who liked your post on Thread, when you open up your Threads application after you have logged in, and if you have posted any kind of post and you want to know who liked your post, you may just head over to the activity center. At the bottom you can see home page, search bar plus activity and your profile. You may just head over to your activity and you can see your activities here, like this person just now liked my post. So you may just go there and you can see the heart icon, which means that person has liked my post. And here you can see other options as well. And after that, you may just head over to your profile and you can see I posted 2 threads. So I'm just going to tap on this thread right here and you can see view activity section. Just tap on it and here you can see the people who have liked my threads. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to know who liked your post on Threads very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.